guys, it's Christmas tree time, and a big thank you to the team for sending this out to me. I'm absolutely thrilled, and I really hope the camera does it justice because this is beautiful. This comes in 3 different sizes and it's fibre optically lit, so you do not have to worry about getting any extra lights. It comes with a really great base which is super sturdy as well, and it's super easy to put together. All you need to do is unbox it and give the branches a little fluff. As well as fibre optic lights, it also has fairy lights built into it with these really adorable little tips to make it look like crystals and snowflakes. It is mains power, so you haven't got to worry about recharging anything. And it also has a programmable light option, so you can press whichever option you like the look of. And it comes absolutely perfect as it is, but you can also add tinsel and extra decorations if you like. But the best part is this beautiful star right on top of the tree. And because it's PVC, you're not going to have any issues with shedding or any needles on the floor. This is going to be a really great addition to your home, your office. You can put it on the floor or on the side just like I have. I've just turned the lights down so you can see absolutely how beautiful it is. Isn't it stunning? It's going to give a really nice winter ambiance throughout the Christmas season. It's absolutely beautiful, and thank you so much for watching, and a Merry Christmas.